Welcome to Grasse, the world capital of perfume, internationally recognized by UNESCO for its unique expertise surrounding perfume making and cultivation of iconic flowers such as the rose de mai, jasmine, lavender and tuberose. The villa offers 230 square meters of total living space, and it has 4 beautiful bedrooms, all en suite with their own bathrooms. There is additionally, of course, a living area with a modern kitchen and an office space, as well as a curiosity in the tower of a kind of a reading or an office space from which you have a panoramic view. From the moment you arrive, the tone is set with an elegant entrance, generous parking areas and electric vehicle charging stations, including fast charger, combining charm and practicality for modern living. Outside, the grounds are absolutely magnificent, gently sloping, beautifully maintained and offering a wonderful sense of privacy and serenity. The landscaped garden hosts a remarkable collection of unique plants and flowers, mixing Mediterranean essences with exotic species to create a truly exceptional atmosphere. This would definitely be one of my favorite spots, overlooking the pool. And what I like particularly about this property, of course, is the extraordinary exterior and the mixture of plants that gives this property an incredible sense of tranquility. The villa has been renovated with great attention to detail, blending timeless Provençal character with contemporary comfort and carefully selected material throughout. Every room feels warm, refined, and filled with natural light. Everything here has been designed to combine elegance, modern comfort, and the relaxed sophistication of Provençal living. One of the real highlights of the property is, of course, the recent 12 by 5 meters swimming pool, surrounded by greenery and sunshine, with elegant outdoor spaces designed for relaxation, entertaining, and enjoying the Riviera climate throughout the years. I really hope to welcome you soon. Don't hesitate to contact me for any questions. My name is Sophie from Fine & Country on the French Riviera.